In today's video, I want to talk about gear that I do not regret buying for my YouTube channel. So a lot of you may or may not know that when I first started my YouTube channel, I actually started on a GoPro Hero 5. And to this day, I still use it for some parts of my video on my channel. Not all of my channel is shot with my GoPro. I did upgrade to a better camera since then. By the way, if you're a Panasonic Lumix fan, I'm actually shooting on this new camera now and I have not revealed it yet. I was going to do something in the beginning of 2023, but I did not do the video yet. I plan on doing that soon. So what I have here is gear that you cannot see yet that I don't regret buying, that I spent at a yard sale for about $10. So what I have right here is a Joby tripod, bendable tripod. I paid about $2 for this at a yard sale. It has a little level on the back so you can level it. Joby is a really good brand of tripods, and I could not believe that I picked up all this gear for $10 total. Everything was about $2 a piece or so. And this thing's going to come in useful if I want to use my GoPro Hero 5 on some filming, things that I want to do for my channel. I do have a bigger tripod, but this is actually made for a GoPro. You just put the attachment on the bottom of your GoPro and you're able to just slide it in here. Kind of like a quick release, if you will, to get you, up and filming like really quick. The second piece of gear I have, there's actually two parts of this gear here, is a suction cup. This is actually from GoPro that I'm assuming you can probably use it like on the side of your car, possibly on your dashboard. All you have to do is just slide it in with the attachment underneath your GoPro, screw it in, and you're good to go. The second part of that, I guess you can use this for a surfboard or something. You can actually take off this adapter here and you can just replace it with this adapter right here, which is really cool because if you're doing like skateboarding or something like that, or maybe you're riding a surfboard or a boogie board and you want to get that up angle, this will allow you to pivot and give you that up angle that you want to get a great shot. Last but not least, what I have here is another tripod, bendable tripod. This is called, this is from Same Top, not really sure. But again, all this gear for $10, you can't beat that at all because you're not going to find a Joby tripod at all anywhere for $2. You're just not going to find anywhere. The guy at the yard sale goes, I have a ton of other gear that you can go through and I actually have other GoPros that I have for sale. And I was kind of like, no, I can't. I'll just take the accessories. I cannot buy more gear. I have a ton of gear. As you guys already know, I've have done that on my YouTube shorts. Anyway, back to this tripod. This tripod, I'm guessing you could probably use for a workbench or something like that. It just has a clamp on it, and it allows you to, do different style, positions, if you will. It's actually quite loud, but this actually has a really strong grip. So if you have arthritis, I wouldn't do this at all. It's a really, really strong grip. It does have a smooth ends on it, so there's no teeth on it. So I think it would just clip to something, like a workbench or something like that, or maybe a tabletop if you want to get that angle. Maybe a surfboard or a boogie board if it'll hold in the waves. The clip seems really strong. Again, guys, the point of this video, all this gear, $10. I don't regret buying any of this gear. I'm always looking for better gear, but don't want to break the bank getting the gear, if you know what I mean. So again, all these accessories, 2, 4, 6, actually $8 for everything here. I think I do have another piece of gear, but I think I misplaced it. I do have something else that goes with this gear pile, but I think I misplaced it. So all this gear, again, I think I spent like $8 to $10. I believe it was $10. I think I gave them the extra $2, whatever. It was really worth it because, again, you're not going to find this Joby tripod for $2. This alone, I would think this alone would be about $10 itself. Maybe $5 for this, and maybe $5 for this and this together. For the surfboard mount. I mean, this could keep it flat on the ground. I think it's going to be good if you're vlogging in a car and you want to stick it on your dashboard. I see a lot of other YouTubers make something out of wood and they put on their dashboard and they just make something, but for $2, you know, the price of wood nowadays, you're going to spend that easily. So I mean, this was already, you know, good to go. All the accessories were there, and it's actually from GoPro, so it's even better yet. Well, that's all I have for today's video, guys. I just wanted to share with you gear that I don't regret buying, and actually got this gear about a few weeks ago or so. So, you know, all in, I think I'm about like $8 to $10. I think I did spend about $10. Like I said, I think I gave them a $2 tip. But I don't regret buying any of this gear. This gear is definitely worth the price, and I like to do filming with just different, you know, with different gear. I don't always like to stay with one piece of gear. I actually have right now, including this camera, which I'm not going to reveal what it is yet. I have 3 Lumix cameras, guys, and a ton of lenses. If you guys seen my YouTube shorts that I recently did, I'm actually going through my inventory, going through all my lenses and creating videos about my lenses. I probably do long form content video with, you know, in regards to my lenses also, but I'm sticking to YouTube shorts just for now, but I will still be uploading long form content on this channel. So again, if you guys like this video, if you got, you know, if you thought it was cool just checking out my, you know, gear that I don't regret buying, please give me a thumbs up. Please, guys, hit that subscribe button. That helps me create more videos, and it helps the channel grow a lot better. As always, guys, later.